kay Tony and Luis. Makikilala ko si Johnny, may in love ko sa isa. Patay na patay kami sa isa't isa.
It is shot in the most romantic place in the world, Barcelona.
Dahil ito na ang pinaka-crazy barkada. Kaya lahat ng kapamilya. Ito ang bagong kababaliwan ninyo gabi-gabi. Iiyak, may in love, over and over again. Abangan niyo po after. Live on Asa Posted. Let's all go crazy with Crazy For You's leading love team, Tony Gonzaga and Luis Manzano.
Reflecting from most of the dark, two by two their bodies become one.
I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say
is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true.
I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Oh yeah.
So brand new.
I'm crazy for you.
And you know it's true.
I'm crazy, crazy for you.
So brand new.
I'm crazy for you.
And you know it's true.
Yeah, I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby.
Wow! Luis! Nagtagal na first the rest of the cast of Crazy For You. Luis, napakaganda ng kanta mo.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng
Alam nyo, singing, acting, hosting, singing talagang forte ko.
Ang galing mo naman. Sige,
Yes.
invitahan mo na nga sila pala ng Crazy For You.
Siyempre?
Ako na?
Ladies first.
O sige, ladies first. Bukas na ho mga kapamilya, ang pinakabagong teleserye na kababaliwan ninyong lahat sa primetime dito po ng ABS-CBN. Crazy For You was shot in the most beautiful place in the world, Barcelona.
And Ibiza?
And Ibiza, the party capital of the world. Pag po pinanood niyo ang teleserye nito, parang nakapunta na rin kayo sa Barcelona.
Yes, ito ang tribute or homage namin sa mga bagong bayani ng mga OFW.
Luis and Tony, meron akong tanong. Ano ba ang pinaka-crazy na ginawa ninyo na dapat namin abangan? Pwede ba
Ano?
yun dito, MTRCB? Okay na ba yun?
Hindi, yung isa dito, nag-2-piece sa Ibiza. Yes, nag-2-piece sa Ibiza. Hindi, ako yun. Ako.
Okay.
Hindi, nag-2-piece si Tento sa Ibiza. Siguro yung pinang nakakabaliw, hindi ba?
Yes, at isa pa sa kababaliwan nila ay ang powerhouse cast namin. Nakasama rin mo namin si Bali,
Aldred?
Aldred, Roxanne, Michelle, Pokwang din pa kasama namin. Get those to Pokwang.
Joseph? Si Prati and si Victor. Of course, directed by Direct Eric. Salute. Hi, Direct. Love you.
Kailan to?
Bukas na, September 11, world launch. Basta may TFC kayo, mapapanood nyo, kasabay po namin.
Simultaneous po yan. The
Yeah.
Crazy For You is also part na rin po ng repackage album ko na Tony Gonzaga. Hindi ko clinic, so clinic ka na.
Right after Between Walang Ningning.
Alright. Yes, thank you. Kaya abangan nyo na po yan bukas. After Between Walang Ningning and Alpha Music will return.